Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean your kitchen cabinets and get them looking fresh and spotless. Plus, I got a few simple tricks to help you remove stains and greasy fingerprints from your door handles. So stick around. Here is what you will need: some warm soapy water, a dusting cloth, a piece of magic sponge, and 3 microfiber towels. One will be used for cleaning with soapy water, another for rinsing with clean water, and the third one to dry everything off. First, we want to remove any dust or crumbs. Take your dusting cloth and give all the cabinet surfaces a quick wipe. Don't forget the corners and edges, that's where the crumbs like to hide. Now dip your microfiber cloth into the warm soapy water. Make sure to wring it out so it's not soaking wet. Then wipe down every cabinet door, working from the top to bottom. This helps avoid streaks and ensures you are lifting off any grease or grime. For those stubborn stains and greasy spots, especially around the door handles, grab a piece of magic sponge and dip it in the soapy water, then gently rub the area. You will see the grease disappear like magic. Just be gentle, as the magic sponge can ruin the paint or finish on your cabinets. Now let's tackle the inside of the cabinets. For this process we are going to use the same cleaning methods. That's first. Then wipe your cabinets with soapy water. If you find any food stains or areas that are really greasy, you can use the magic sponge again. Just be gentle with the magic sponge when cleaning cabinets because its abrasive texture can streak paint, damage finishes, or leave dull spots, especially on delicate or glossy surfaces. Light pressure helps remove any dirt without harming the cabinet's appearance. Next, take your second microfiber cloth, dampen with clean water, and wipe down all the surfaces again to remove any soap residue. This step is important to prevent streaking and keep your cabinets looking polished. Finally, use your dry microfiber cloth to go over everything, making sure there is no moisture left behind. This helps protect the wood and gives your cabinets a nice clean shine. To keep your kitchen cabinets looking spotless for longer, here are 3 essential maintenance tips that will make cleaning easier and extend the life of your cabinets. Kitchen cabinets, especially those near the stove, tend to collect grease, dust, and food splatters. By wiping them down once a week with a slightly wet microfiber towel and a gentle cleaning solution like diluted dish soap or a vinegar and water mix, you prevent a stubborn buildup that can become difficult to remove over time. Cabinet handles and knobs are some of the most frequently touched surfaces in the kitchen, meaning they can quickly accumulate grease, dirt, and bacteria. Giving them a quick wipe every few days with a disinfectant or an all-purpose cleaner helps maintain cleanliness and prevents the spread of germs. If your cabinets have touch open doors, don't forget to clean those areas where fingers frequently make contact. And lastly, a thorough deep clean every couple of months ensures that your cabinets stay fresh and free from hidden grime. And there you have it, guys. Clean fresh cabinets without any hassle. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you would like to see more quick and easy cleaning tips. And if you want to make sure that your microfiber cloths are always in top shape for cleaning, check out our video on how to properly wash them. See you in the next video.